Hi, this is Monty Agarwal for Uncommon Wisdom Daily. When most investors talk about Asia, they lump all the markets together. Or at best, they'll talk about Japan versus everyone else. But I spent a large part of my trading career in Hong Kong, Singapore, Tokyo, and other financial capitals, and I can tell you that things are not nearly so simple. As the head of trading for BNP Paribas Asia, I executed the very first interest rate swap in Singapore and developed the options market in South Korea. I know the Asian markets inside and out, so it's clear to me that there's a dichotomy emerging between the economies of India and China on one side and those of Thailand, Indonesia, Singapore, and even Australia on the other side. Inflation is a major problem in China and India, and both governments have been raising interest rates to keep prices down. This tighter monetary policy, combined with the weakening domestic consumption and slowing demand for exports from the US and Europe, means that double-digit economic growth is a thing of the past. I'm not saying that any of the other countries I mentioned are going to be posting double-digit GDP growth either, but institutional investors are extremely bullish on several of them, including Thailand. Hedge fund managers now expect Thailand to post 5.5% growth versus the official estimate of 4.9%. Either number would be a huge improvement from the 11% contraction Thailand experienced in the fourth quarter of last year. Unprecedented flooding was largely responsible for the slowdown, but cleanup operations and reconstruction have spurred a sharp rebound in activity. The manufacturing sector is taking huge strides, growing an average of 28% a month in December and January. Meanwhile, tourism has returned to record levels and private consumption is ticking up as well. Going forward, we are likely to see continued public spending by the government as well, combined with an increase in private investment. As a result, the hedge fund circles are expecting a V-shaped recovery. And without the need for the inflation-fighting measures that China and India have had to undertake, Thailand may actually outperform its larger rivals. I'm Monty Agarwal for Uncommon Wisdom Daily, and thank you for watching.